Well, if you are fed up with polynomial long division, you might like synthetic division. So the only problem with synthetic division is that you can only do it whenever you're dividing by a linear factor. So it's got to be, something x plus or minus something else. All right. Now it takes the polynomial long division part and it kind of streamlines it to where it works out quicker. So, all right, here's your example. This is how you do it. Now we're only going to be playing with the coefficients. All right. So, 1, -4, 3, -8. All right, that kind of thing. Only the coefficients. So in this case, we're going to be doing an upside down division bar. And our numbers inside are going to be 1. That's for the x to the third power part. A -4. A +3. And a -8. All right, now here's the difference. The number that goes on the outside, it's not a 3 or a 1 or anything like that. It is going to be a -3. Now, where we get that is we take the x plus 3 part, and you can think of it as you're just putting the number, the opposite number out front, but we're actually setting that equal to 0, all right? And then we're solving. So, -3 from both sides, and you get x equals -3. And that is your number that goes on the outside here. All right. So the process goes like this. You're going to bring down your first one. And that's just going to be a 1. And now's where we're going to be doing multiplication. You're going to do -3 times this +1. And that's going to give you -3. And that goes there. And then you're going to add up these terms. So the -4 plus -3, that gives us -7. And then you're going to repeat the process. -3 times -7 gives us 21. And then we're going to add these terms. That gives us 24. And then we'll repeat. -3 times 24. Ooh, that's -72. All right. And then this last one is going to be our remainder. -8 plus -72. That is -80. That's our remainder. All right, so this does not look like an answer. To make it an answer, what you do is you're going to take these numbers, and these are going to be the coefficients of your answer. Now, keep in mind, we did something to the third power divided by a linear. So this answer has to be quadratic. This has to be something to the second power. So our answer is going to be 1x squared minus 7x plus 24, and then remainder -80. Nope, -80. Ha, there you go. All right, so hopefully that's a little faster than the traditional polynomial long division. So do some more examples.